Hey guys, it's Mike. I know I've been absent from YouTube for like 3 to 4 months now, just a little bit long, but I am proud to announce that I have started my own kayaking business. I just had my first tour a few days ago, and I got to take these lovely ladies out on these Hobies. The business I started is called Mike's Coastal Expeditions. The day that we went out, it was just perfect, beautiful water. And this was in the afternoon. Usually the afternoon kind of the Gulf can pick up a little bit. It was just nice and flat, no wind. We saw manatees out there, which is a really common sight in the summertime. Right here, with the pedal drive system, we were easily able to catch up to these guys. Now we make sure we don't harass them, but in the summer months, manatees actually are very common on the coast. They like to get their spunk on and mate. What I love about these Hobies too is the Mirage drives help you in the open water, but in the tours we actually go through mangrove tunnels. So in this section we can easily just stop using the Mirage drive and go straight to the paddles. So yes, we go through mangrove tunnels, there's big open passes, we get a beautiful secluded beach. The left side's Little Hickory, but the beach a little bit further up is called Big Hickory Beach. There's no road access to it, so the only way to get there is a kayak and a boat, but just everybody out there is having a grand time. We can see these people checking out some manatees up ahead. Couldn't be more happy about these Hobies. These Hobies are just top of the line, easy to use equipment. These ladies have never been on a Hobie, never utilized the Mirage drive system. They've kayaked before, they had some experience, but even if you've never kayaked, these Hobies are just phenomenal. I couldn't recommend them more. Even if you just wanted to buy a Hobie, go ahead and do it. The ones I'm using are Hobie Passports. They're 12 feet long. And I also utilize the Hobie Compass Duo, which is a tandem. So if you wanted a tandem, we do have that as well. But I am a brand new business, and if you guys are interested in booking with me, just reach out. I'm going to have my website right on the description. Check that out. And if you want a private tour, you have any questions or anything like that, call me at 239-791-2638. I'll also have that in the description. Just very happy that this went as well as it did. I'm super excited about the future, and I'd love to bring this experience to you guys. So y'all have a great day. I'll be tuning in shortly as well, so stick around, and I'll see you guys later.